Hey folks, Adam and Amy here, and we are in front of the Temptation Resort in Cancun, Mexico. Join us momentarily as we give you a full tour of our Bash Tower room. All right, folks, let's give you a quick tour of the Temptation room. There's Amy, gonna help with the tour. So what do you want to show us first?
So first we've got the bathroom right here. We've got
Those are cool purple doors.
sliding glass doors.
Yep.
You can open this up. Check out. You kind of have, we got almost surfboard design walking into the walk-in shower.
Nice.
It's got a rainfall shower head.
Cool.
Little shelf right here to keep your stuff, and let's check out what amenities they brought for us. Wild Wash shampoo, Squeaky Clean shower gel, and Healthy Shine conditioner.
I like that this mirror is kind of in like sunglasses shape. They do that a lot.
Yeah, it's super fun. You got some water, some glasses, and a hair dryer or diffuser, and a straightener as well. Everyone always asks, like, do you have a straightener?
They got it.
So yes, we have a straightener.
Then you got your main room. I want to show you. Is this considered the tower, the Bash Tower?
Yeah.
We'll look outside. Yeah, so this is in the tower. I actually have a garden view option as well. So I don't know how much I love or dislike this, but this is the roof of the main lobby outside your room. And you can see some water. Not a perfect view. And then you can see everyone else's room accordingly in the tower.
So one interesting
Little balcony.
that they give you in your amenity kits, you know, you get some soap, some lotion, some, shower caps and things
Get out
like
of
that.
music.
But speaking of music, they give you earplugs.
No, you do need that
Which I
here.
do think is an important thing when you were deciding where you want to stay. When you stay at the tower,
You can have a party outside in the afternoon.
You've got a bigger room, you've got better service, you've got access to a little bit of upgraded things, which is a plus. The minus is that
Can be a little louder.
it is a little loud, but they do give you earplugs.
Okay, a couple chocolates on here. A good king size bed. We booked with these guys, not sponsoring. And they got, your TV, which you can get. You can even get your spa experiences, book that, your Wi-Fi, and a few other things, your room service through it.
You have a ton of closet space, of course it's safe.
And this is an all-included, all drinks and food included.
Yeah. Super.
All right, so then you've got a stocked fridge as well. And I do like that everything's included, so you've got sodas, BEER, and waters that they'll restock daily for you, included in the price. It's a cute room, right?
I love it.
I think the upgrade that I've seen since previous times is that the air conditioning really works now. It's cold in here, it didn't used to be.
I love the extra blanket. A lot of hotels now, like, I don't know, I think since the 2020, places don't have big blankets
Yeah.
in hotels, and so I like that they give you a blanket. And over here, I'm going to show you guys, this is the smart control panel for the room.
Oh, okay.
That does have your air conditioning, your lights down here, so that's really nice. You can turn your lights on and off from bed. Right here, all of your lights are neutral. And I'm going to show you can put this panel down and up right from your bed.
Nice. So, the negatives to this room, I'll tell you that, like we said, it can get a little loud. Like, during the night parties and stuff, it can get a little loud with the parties going on. And then you will note that this is starting to be a hotel that's just been around for a couple of years. So it's not in brand new condition. Like, you'll notice just little things that are starting to wear. Nothing bad.
Right, but it's not brand new.
But it's not a brand new hotel.
Also,
Yes.
this place gets so slick and slippery. This is
On the floor?
Like, yeah, not saying anything like against the hotel, but just as a tip and trick, like when you come here, be careful. Like,
Yeah.
actually use your shower mats before, because I've seen way too many people
Wipe out.
slip, wipe out. get hurt, trip and all kinds of stuff like that. So just be really, really careful. It does get slippery.
But it does smell fresh in here. It's kind of a Miami vibe. I like the look on the walls. Very SEXY feel overall.
You've got fun things on the TV where you can schedule treatments at the spa, at the boutique. You can use your room service, which is completely included in the tower rooms. That's really great as well. Of course, you have free Wi-Fi, and you even have free spicy content on your TV.
Is there spicy content for free? Wow, I think there is. I forgot about that. All right. Well, we're going to go watch some spicy content. I'm just kidding. So the resort itself is well known for their pool parties and for their evening parties and entertainment. Each night of the week has a different theme, like a crazy circus or dress provocatively. Every night is like a sexy Halloween costume party. At least that's what Amy says. We didn't record a ton of footage at the hotel itself. That's because other than selfies, they don't want you recording and videoing at the pool. However, here are a few promotional images of the daytime pool parties, and I can tell you from experience, they're as much fun as they look. By contrast, this footage is recorded by the quiet pool. There are technically two large pools. One is for the party and one is for relaxing. Between the two is this fun restroom area, well decorated and shared by all. I think it looks pretty cool with those sunglasses, just like in your rooms. So a lot of people may be nervous that this is an adults only resort. And yeah, it's a little edgier than your average resort. But you know what? The service is fantastic. You can hang out at the quiet pool if you like, and the food is phenomenal as well. They also treat you like a king. Like I said, all of the restaurants are included, and here's an example of the menu from the Sky Lounge. The Sky Lounge is actually only available for people who booked in the Bash Tower, which was part of our upgrade because we booked with Expedia. It's nothing too special, it's just a pool on the top of the hotel. You can get chicken wings and maybe some pizza. So Amy and I have been to this resort at least a dozen times. We always have a good time. Over the years, it's become more of a nightclub feel at night. And that may be for you, but it's not for everyone. So this is the type of resort that you go to if you want a 30-something spring break experience. For the next minute or so, go ahead and join us as we walk down the beach. Temptation isn't necessarily known for its beachfront property. Most of the fun occurs at the pool and with the nightlife. However, there's several miles of walkable beach with various resorts stretching across various hotel and resort beachfront properties. In general, the beachfront seems very safe. There's plenty of security and National Guard in the area. Overall, I would definitely recommend checking out the Temptation Resort. They didn't sponsor this video, but we really like it. Go ahead and click like and subscribe for more videos all the time. And check out some of our other videos as well. Thanks for watching and adios amigos.